Hello everyone guys! In this video, I will share an effective strategy for binary options trading using the moving average indicator. This tool will help you to more accurately navigate the market movements and find relevant entry points. If you want to get high-quality trading signals and additional advice, be sure to join my Telegram channel via the link in the description. There, I share my experiences and actual signals that will help you to make your trading more profitable. Don't miss the chance to improve your results. And let's get started. So, firstly, let's add an indicator to our chart. To do this, we go to Indicators section and select the Moving Average indicator. Double-click it. We now have two indicators. Now, let's move on to the settings. For the first indicator, set period is 11. And in styles, we keep the default color, click Save. For the second indicator, set the period to 56. Okay. And in styles, we'll change the color. Let's say I want red. Let's also add an additional pixel to the line. Click Save. Now our chart is clearer and let's find out how we'll open positions here. The strategy for this indicator is to catch a trend reversal. These intersections help us to do this. If we see an intersection where the positive line crosses the slower one from top to bottom, this is a good signal to open a sell trade. And if the opposite happens, it's a signal to open a buy trade. And of course, when opening a position, we'll use confirming factors in form of various levels or candlestick patterns as well. And now let's move on to trading. So, I found a good opportunity to work it out. Let's look at what we see at this point. Firstly, we have an intersection on the moving average indicator. This intersection signals an uptrend as the first line has crossed the slower one from bottom to top. And if you look at the chart, we can see that there are numerous resistance levels at the top, which the price will likely to approach. Also, the buyer produced very good momentum-driving candlesticks in their favor during the last move, confirming their dominance at the moment. So now let's open a trade. And for this trade, I'll use $50 and 1 minute as a time frame. My trade is open. We're waiting for the result. Trade is closed and a profit. Great, we had a relatively good upward move. And now let's move on. So, I found a good opportunity to take advantage of it. Let's look at what we see here. Okay, in this situation, we have an intersection on the moving average indicator. And within this intersection, the positive line crossed this lower one from top to bottom. This indicates the downward movement. And as for confirming factor, I can point out the breakthrough of the support level, and a breakthrough of the support level always signals the continuation of the downward movement. I can also erase very good and impulsive candles in the favor of seller. Okay, so now we need to open a position. I have $50 and 1 minute left for the trade, and we open it. The trade is open. If this trade closes in a profit, I will earn $46 or 92% of my trade amount. As for confirming factors, many things can actually serve as confirming factors, and personally, I use levels, candlestick patterns, and other tools as for confirmation. So the downward movement is what we've got here, and the trade's closed in a profit. My balance is now $192. Okay, excellent result. Let's move on. I found a good situation for the USD GBI currency pair. Let's look at what we see here. Okay, we had a momentum, an impulsive downward movement, and during this downward movement, we had an intersection where the green line has crossed the red line from top to bottom, which tells me about the downward movement will be continued. As for confirming factors, I can know that we have the support level below, which the price will most likely strive for. And furthermore, I can know the seller produced very good and impulsive candles in their favor during this movement, and I can also know the breakthrough of the nearest local support levels at this point and also at this point. So my trade is open. We're waiting for the result. And finally, let's talk about the procedure for entering the trade. Firstly, you should see an intersection on the moving average indicator. And the intersection on the moving average indicator should be relevant, actual one. Then you should begin looking for confirming factors. Once you found at least one confirmation, you can safely open a trade using your risk management, of course. So the trade is closed and in profit. Okay, today we're explored binary options trading in detail using the moving average indicator. And I hope you've gained some really good insights and you can now safely apply the strategy on practice. And don't forget that trading success is not only knowledge but also the support of the community. Join my Telegram channel where I share relevant signals, advices and strategies which will help you to reach new hits and results. Together, we'll make your trading process more profitable and successful. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. See you soon.